Carly from Carly and Blocks, and I'm making slime. So I've got my glue, and I have the ingredients, not the ingredients, quarter cup of glue, 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent, and a few drops of food coloring, and you can add glitter if you want to, but that's optional. I'm using glitter today. So I'm going to start with the glue, dump this all in here. Okay, whoa. This is a lot of glue. I did not realize that at all. I got to dip it in. Is it good to go? Alrighty, and there we go. So I guess I'm gonna add, I'm using paint because I don't have food coloring, so one drop. There we go. And my glitter sparkly, I'm using blue to match the paint. Yeah. And now the laundry detergent. In we go. Guess it's time to start with the stick. Okay, the stick's not really working. So, it's in a Ziploc bag, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to slowly put the Ziploc bag up, seal it, and get all the air out though, first. So, make sure all the air is out. Good. Okay, all the air is out, and I'm just going to squeeze it together so it makes slime, I suppose. I don't know what it's doing. I don't see it turning to slime. I'm just going to keep on mixing it. I'm like super scared this won't work because like it's my first time making slime and I really want this to work out. But I'm probably gonna fail because like I'm really bad at doing stuff. Just trying to be cool. Whoa. All my friends at school have slime and I'm like the only person who doesn't. So I don't know if I should open the bag and see. Oh, well, it's kind of getting sticky. Doesn't really feel like slime quite yet. I don't know what slime normally feels like. So I guess I'm going to zip the bag back up and kind of still move it around. Or something like that. I don't know. I'm new at this. The bag is zipped. Just kind of shake it. Oh, the bag was not zipped. I don't know. So, okay. I don't know if it's supposed to feel like, if this is how slime feels, but it kind of just feels like glue, I'm pretty sure. I love how the color actually turned out. The color turned out really nice. But I don't know if this is how slime's supposed to feel. I have no idea. I don't think slime's supposed to feel like this directly. I'm going to say that this is probably just glue with color in it, and we probably didn't add enough laundry detergent. So, and I honestly don't know if I add more. Would it be safe to add more? Anybody who might live in this house? Is it safe to add more? I don't know what I don't know what I'm doing. Is it safe to add more dish detergent, laundry detergent? It does not feel like slime. Hello? Anyone? I'm literally alone in my studio. It smells bad. I know over my... I honestly don't know what to do right now. Is it my... Oh, gee, I'm gonna have a bath. So, I'm gonna say... I don't know if this is a fail or like a fail or a fail or a like what is that, fail and success. I don't know if it's a success or a fail. I'm gonna move it around some more, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. So all I know is that I've never made slime before, and all I know is that this is probably not slime, but I'm going to see if it is anyway. I don't know. Right now my hands are literally, so I don't even know. I can't even open the bag now. I'm so bad at this. Anyway, I'm gonna say it's a success / fail, but I'm Carly from Carly Ann Vlogs, and I'm gonna say goodbye. Like and subscribe. My hands are filthy. I'm gonna go wash up. How am I gonna shut off the camera? Bye.